Hi, hello friends. So welcome to our YouTube channel again, Blind Tech Explorer. So as I promised to you in a previous tutorial, today we're going to learn about how to upload your video to YouTube through the YouTube app itself. So today's tutorial will be quite short because uh, the first um the technique that I will show, it's quite similar with the previous tutorial, so I will not show um, details. I will not show in details uh, the methods which will quite similar with the previous tutorial. Okay, so without any delay, let's start. Alright, so without any delay, let's go to our YouTube app.
System home button. Hit studio. YouTube.
Okay, click on YouTube.
YouTube. Home.
Then swipe to your left.
Live. Tamil cinema. Mute. Alt. Film. Search. No. YouTube. Library. Subscriptions. Create button.
Okay,
Shorts.
you will have all this. So click on create button.
Create button. Create.
Then you will have some option.
Create. Close button. Create a short. Upload a video. Go live. Create a post.
Okay, so click on if you want to create a post also you can do from here, but I will show you on upcoming tutorials. So just click on, we want to upload, since we would like to upload our video, so click on upload video
Go upload a video. YouTube.
and it will open your storage, internal storage. It will come to your internal storage at the video folder which your videos has been saved.
Close button. Upload video. How to upload video on YouTube from internal storage in Tamil.mp4 20 minutes 31 seconds.
Okay, so I would like to upload this.
Intro. How to upload video.
Just double tap. Okay.
Video. Current. Edit to a short button. Continue to upload. Add details.
Okay, it will start playing. So that's why I'm press on click to upload. So you can choose whatever video that you would like to upload, and double tap on it, and it will start to play. And you should click on continue upload, like how I have do before. But it's have a advantage here. So the advantage will be, if you upload from your internal storage, you
System lock YouTube. Back add page 1 of 3.
okay. If you upload from your internal storage, you will not be able to know your video duration. But if you upload from the YouTube itself, you'll be able to know your duration of your video which you already prepared before upload it. So you can identify it first. So this is the advantage. And the next,
Home. Add the next button.
okay, this is quite similar like previous tutorial. We need to add details like title.
Edit them. Line tech explore line. Title 0/100. Create a title. Type at to mention the channel. Text box.
Then we can create a description.
Add description.
So since I would like to upload this video, so I will create a title.
Create a title. Show in English. Title 0/100.
Okay, let me type it out.
Disable browse by touch. Upload. Video. From. Enter. S space and R E deleted. Space deleted. Mobile. Storage. With. Space deleted. Space L deleted. I deleted. O deleted. M deleted. Space R deleted. O space deleted. M deleted. O deleted. R deleted. F deleted. Space delete. O deleted. E deleted. D deleted. YouTube. From. Your. Mobile. Want. E deleted. Space deleted. Want. Storage. With. Screen. 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 Space deleted. Space deleted. Reader. I. Tamil. Space deleted. Enable browse by touch. How to upload Viseo to YouTube from your mobile internal storage with screen reader and Tamil text box. Editing.
Okay, it's our typing mistake. Let me correct it.
The top. The end. The top. Here. Word. To. Up. Viseo. V. Victor. Viseo. E. Echo. S. Sierra. I. India. S. Sierra. S. Deleted. D. Vid. 2. YouTube. Your. Mobile. Interval. L. Lima. Alpha. J. Juliet. J. N. Storage. With. Screen reader. In. Tamil. Parent. Default.
Okay, perfect. I already done. Type my title.
Done. English. US. Add description.
Okay, I don't want to add description now. So
Visibility private. Recent apps. Add to page 1 of 3. Location.
it's similar to previous tutorial. So
Add description.
if you would like to add description now also can, but if you would like to add it later also, never mind. It's according depends on your suggestion, on your
System YouTube. Add page. Visibility private.
it's depend on yours. Okay, so visibility you can set as private, public. It's also depend on yours. But if you would like to edit something, you can set as private first. Then you can edit the video, like edit the description, edit the tag words, and then after that you can publish the video to public. You can do that. So, or you want to directly or straightly publish the video to public, and you would like to do the editing on the spot without doing later also can. So it's depend on yours. Okay, next.
Location.
As I told previously, the location just left.
Add to playlists.
Add to playlist. So I will click. If you have a playlist, you can add it.
Add video. YouTube tutorials. Checkbox. Unchecked. Tap. YouTube tutorials.
Okay, I will click on the YouTube tutorial playlist, which I have prepared before. I will attach the link of the playlist in the description box. Then you can description box of this video. Then you can view the previous tutorial. Not only this playlist, I also will attach other playlist link together.
NVDA tutorial. Text. Rosebud. Telegram. Visual to happy song. Done.
Click on done after you add your video into the playlist. I mean after you checked the playlist that you would like to add this video. Click on done and it will upload it to the playlist. Okay.
Add the comments hold potentially. Shorts remixing. Playlist YouTube tutorials.
Okay. It show playlist YouTube tutorial, which means I already add this video into my YouTube tutorial playlist. So next.
Shorts remixing. Allow video and audio remixing.
Okay, I wasn't sure about this.
Comments hold potentially inappropriate comments for review.
Okay, as I told in previous tutorial, just leave it default. If you would like to disable the comments, also can. Just click on here, then find disable comment, and you are good to go. Or if you do, if you don't want to change anything, just leave it as default.
Navigate up button.
So here, my suggestion is better set your video as the private, then you can edit your video later with the tag words, and it's will more powerful. I will tell about that. I will show about that in upcoming tutorials. Why? Because if you have published to public now, I mean on the spot without editing later, you can do editing, so but then the peoples will be able to watch. But if you set it private, you only can watch. Instead you send the video links to anyone, so then you can do the editing, make the video looking nice, and you can publish to the public later. So it will be my suggestion. You can edit the video with the YouTube Studio app, so I will show you in the upcoming tutorials. So now just click on next. We have done the title, description part, and everything else.
Recent system lock mute. Add details. Next. Edit. Next button.
Click on next button. Then as similar to previously,
Back button. Select audience.
select audience. So our video it's not made for kids, so I will click on no.
Is this video made? What's content? Yes, it's made. Learn more button. No, it's not. No, it's not made for kids.
Alright, and next.
Age restriction. Advanced.
So I will leave this advanced. If you would like to change, also can. So
Upload video.
just click on upload video and good to go. It's
Use
really,
video button.
yeah, it will start uploading.
Uploading to your videos. 23 minutes, 51 seconds. Pound set. Shop now. More up. Go. Add. Live. Mute. All. Filters. Note. Cast. Mute. Progress bar 76 position.
You can see the progress here. It's uploading.
$77 progress. See video button.
Alright,
System lock. YouTube. Back button. Mute page 1 of 3.
sorry for that.
Uploaded to your videos.
Okay, it's already uploaded to your YouTube successfully. So this is how you can upload the video from the YouTube app itself.
Back button. System. Page 2 of 3. Videos. Back. System lock. Video show. Are you sure that with the... Oh. Cancel. Don't. Checked. If success banner button. Back button. Oh. Are quit.
So this is how you can upload your video from your internal, from your YouTube app itself.
Full system launcher. Metavoicer. Recorder. Recording 20 minutes. Back system launcher. Full system launcher. Recorder. Recorder. Play all recordings. Back page system launch. Full system launcher. Recorder. Recorder. Back system. Full system launcher. Meta voicer. Back button. Meta. Click again to exit. System launcher. Overview button. Meta voicer. 1 dash 1 dash 1. Back button. Full system launcher. Record. Meta voice. Hi 2.
So yeah, sorry for that. And we have come to the end of this video. So in the next I will show you that how we can upload our video from the YouTube Studio website. So it's from there you can identify either your video have any copyright issues or not before you're uploading.
Recent apps. Hi QM. Hi page 2 of 3.
So I will give all the playlist link for our previous tutorials at the description box, and I also will attach our Telegram channel link. If you would like to join it, you can do so. From there you can get latest updates regarding softwares for visually impaired, and you also can get latest news regarding technologies and everything related to technologies itself, especially for visually challenged community. So thanks for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe, and feel free to give your comments. So I would like to apologize for the technical error which happening just now. So see you in upcoming tutorials. Thank you, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a good day.